Hi, friends. In our bustling classroom, excitement filled the air as we prepared for the upcoming assembly show under the guidance of our enthusiastic teacher, Mr. Emmanuel. The theme was ambitious. Each group would represent a different country, sharing its culture, history, and customs through engaging presentations and a character-themed song that embodied the spirit of each nation. With 28 students and only 16 countries to represent, we had to get creative. Mr. Emmanuel encouraged us to think outside the box. We divided into groups, each tasked with a different country: Egypt, Kuwait, India, Iran, Australia, Turkey, Lebanon, Portugal, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Colombia, Venezuela, the Philippines, South Korea, and America. As the weeks passed, our classroom transformed into a vibrant melting pot of cultures. The sounds of laughter and chatter mingled with the melodies of our songs. Each group diligently researched their country, discovering fascinating facts and traditions. We learned about Egypt's ancient pyramids, Kuwait's rich oil heritage, and India's colorful festivals. The challenge was not just to inform, but to captivate our audience with a performance that resonated with the essence of each nation. We were two, me, Moaz, and Malak representing Egypt. We prepared a paragraph about ancient Egypt and the Nile River, but we did not prepare a song. Indian made a group Indian dance. Kuwaiti prepared a Kuwaiti song says QQWAIT. Colombian and Venezuela's made a very nice dance. While Australia's presentation included a fun Australian song, and Lebanon's group showcased a mesmerizing Dabke dance. All groups made their part of assembly. As we rehearsed, Mr. Emmanuel provided invaluable feedback, reminding us to embrace our unique talents. The excitement grew as we combined our presentations into a cohesive show, blending music, dance, and storytelling. Each performance was not just a representation of our countries, but a celebration of our diversity. On the day of the assembly, the auditorium buzzed with energy. Parents, teachers, and friends filled the seats, eagerly awaiting what we had prepared. One by one, each group took the stage, proudly sharing their cultural heritage. The songs were filled with catchy rhythms and heartfelt lyrics, and the audience couldn't help but clap along. When it was time for the finale, we all gathered on stage, forming a colorful tableau representing our countries. With Mr. Emmanuel leading us, we sang a medley that combined elements from each group's song, symbolizing unity in diversity. The audience erupted in applause, and we felt a wave of pride wash over us. After the show, as we celebrated our efforts, it was clear that this experience had brought us closer together. We had not only learned about different cultures, but also forged friendships that transcended borders. Under Mr. Emmanuel's guidance, we had created something beautiful, showcasing the strength of collaboration and the joy of diversity. It was a day none of us would ever forget, and the memories of that assembly show would resonate in our hearts for years to come.